Hello friends, welcome to Deepmindai. Today I'm so excited because today is our second phase. So we are going to create our movie with the help of AI. As we know, 2024 is the revolution for AI. Now we are able to create movie with the help of AI. Now you don't need any directors, you don't need any actor or actresses. All you need to know a simple prompt, and after that you have to get to know that AI tool. By using that, you will be able to create your movie absolutely free of cost. So before that, you might have seen our previous video in which we were able to create our first movie with the help of Jasper AI. That was amazing, and we were able to create movie scenes for 4 seconds. So now with this new tool, this will be the game-changing technology in movie industries. Now with the help of Noisy.ai, we will be able to create up to 1 minute movie scene absolutely free of cost. Right now we are making video. For this time, this tool is absolutely free, and hopefully it will be free in future as well. So in order to create your movies, if you have your own idea, if you have your own story, that's perfectly wonderful. If you don't have your own idea, you can ask ChatGPT. It will write a story based on your preference. So in order to create our movie, all we have to do, we have to search Noisy.ai. So once we search Noisy.ai, we will come up with this wonderful interface here. And all you have to do, you have to click here, try Noisy. And you will have two options. In order to access Noisy server, you can use your Google account or you can use your Discord ID. So I'm going to use my Discord ID. So all I have to do, I have to click on accept invitation. So I'll be able to access the server here. That's perfect. Once we will be able to log in Noisy server, we will come up with this interface. So all you have to come here. You can see here we have option to generate movies. So all we have to click just generate movie. Okay, after that, all we have to do, first we have to generate a music. So Noisy can support music. You can paste URL from YouTube, and you can create your own music as well. If you don't have permission music from YouTube, then there will be copyright issues you will face in future. So for that, I will recommend that you can create your own music. It's just simple. All you have to search Suno.ai. So you can create your own music. So just click on the top one, and we already have created a video how you can create your own music with the help of Suno AI. Once you will search Suno.ai, all you have to come create. You have to insert a text, what kind of music you want. So I'm going to insert some prompts, so it will generate music accordingly. You can access Suno.ai by Google account, or you can access Suno.ai by using Discord as well. So all you have to do, you have to insert some text. It will generate a music for you. So you can see that it has created a music for us. So all we have to do, we have to come here, and you can see the share option here. You have to click here. So it will automatically copy the URL for you. And you have to come to the Discord once again. And in order to create your own movie scene, all you have to do, you have to just click on hash. Then you can see here imagine, and then you have to paste first the URL for music. So all you have to just submit, and now you will come up with this interface. So what kind of movie scene you want? So we have to insert some text accordingly that it will create a movie scene for us. So I just insert that, and you can see I have mentioned the timing, and I insert my text. And second, you can see that you need to attach the URL for your reference image, and I will help you how you can create your own picture URL. So first, if you have any reference picture, you need that URL here. So let's create the image URL first. You can come to the Discord here. All you have to do, you have to upload your picture and just submit your picture. Once you submit your picture, you will have three dots here. So you have to click on that, and here you can see the link. Just copy this link, or you can simply you can just double click on the picture and you can open in new browser. So now on top here you will have this URL. So all you have to do, you have to bring that URL here and paste here. As we are creating this YouTube video, the aspect ratio is 16:9. Once you will select your aspect ratio, all you have to click just submit, and it will take at least 1 or 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes our video will be ready. Now you can see we have just submit our order. This is the prompt we have write, and this is the picture, and this is the picture URL, and after that this is the music and picture you can see here. So now we have to wait just for 2 minutes, and within 2 minutes our first movie scene will be ready. Now you can see our movie scene has been absolutely ready. Now let's watch and enjoy the scene. Is just amazing. You can see we have created a movie. It's almost 1 minute video we have created by using simple prompts with Noisy.ai. Now click here and download your movie scene. This is just perfect one. So after that we have second option. We have here, as you can see, generate clips. So if you don't want any music, you just want to create your only clips, so you can do that as well. All you have to do, you have to come here, generate clips, click on / create a clip, just submit that. It will give you this wonderful interface. All you have to insert, a prompt. So I took a help from ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to write some scenes for horror movies. So ChatGPT gives me 3 to 4 scenes, so I'm going to paste this scene here. If you have the URL for your picture, as I told you earlier how you can create your picture URL, so you can do that. And if you already have your URL, that's perfect. And if you don't want to use any reference URL, that is also fine. You can just submit. If you insert the prompt, and if you don't have URL, you can leave it blank, and all you have to do, just click on submit, and it will take at least 1 minute, and within 1 minute our second scene will be ready. Now our second scene is also ready. Let's enjoy this one as well. And this is kind of horror movie. I inserted a doll with horror movie scene, so it has created this wonderful scene for us. So thank you so much for watching Deep Mind AI. Please share, subscribe our channel Deep Mind AI.